How to log into your eBay credit card online. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to do that. But before we get started, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe to our channel. So the first thing, go ahead and open up your web browser. Click on the search bar and simply search for eBay credit card login and then hit enter. Now click on the first link you see, pages.ebay.com. Go to eBay Mastercard. Now from here, you can just go ahead and click on the login button. So if you already have an account, you can manage your eBay Extra Mastercard from here. So click on this login button and you'll be taken to the login portal for your Mastercard or your credit card. And once you land on the login portal, here just provide your eBay's user ID and then simply enter your password. If you want to view your password, click on the show button and it will briefly show your password. You can even hide it. And if you want the browser to remember your username, just go ahead and turn this one on so that you don't have to enter your details every time you try to log in. And if you've forgotten your password somehow, you can just scroll down and then click on this password option to recover it. And if you're new, you can register or apply for a new card. Now you can also continue as a guest, so that is there as well. And finally, click on the secure login to log into your eBay's Mastercard or credit cards account. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.